Text, Bible videos. Title, The Lord's Triumphal Entry into Jerusalem. Crowds of people throng a stone archway in a city wall. They applaud Jesus, who rides on a donkey as he passes through the gate. He wears white and blue robes, and a white scarf is draped over his head. Countless people clap in excitement and wave fronds from palm trees. Jesus smiles warmly and acknowledges the people as the donkey carries him into the city. Those near his path lay down their palm fronds on the street in front of the donkey. Jesus rides deeper into the celebrating throng. He dismounts and greets a woman, taking her hand. Jesus walks through the pressing crowd, taking people by the hand warmly. He greets everyone with a kind smile. The screen fades to black.